Hey there, what's up guys? It's Fergal here and thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with the review, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then be sure to check out the first link in the description. Now back to the review. When you pick up this product from the second link in the description, you're going to get my 4 bonuses delivered to you automatically. Bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 brand new email subscribers every single Friday. This is not a method, it's not a technique or anything like that. I literally show you where to go, how to pick them up. You get them guaranteed, and then you mail them with your self-hosted autoresponder that I also show you how to set up. The self-hosted autoresponder costs between $3 and $12 per month, so it's very, very cheap, even when you have 5 million email subscribers. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you the 2023 free traffic method that I am using right now to get tons of traffic to my websites, offers and blogs. This will be delivered to you as well automatically as a free bonus when you pick up this product. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first on YouTube so that you can get massive rankings and massive traffic from your YouTube videos to any offer that you want. Bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you your own offer to promote. My Empire course is one of my best-selling courses ever. I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel so that you can promote it as your own course. So with that said, let's check out what this product is all about. And remember, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then check out the first link in the description. If you would like to pick up the product that I'm reviewing right now, check out the second link in the description. Cheers guys, let's check out what this product is all about.
Hi, my name is Douglas Melvin of Melweb Marketing. I would like to introduce you to my new ebook, Google Ads for Beginners. Google is the most widely used search engine in the world, but it has evolved far beyond its humble beginnings. It is now recognized as having the most potent and extensive advertising network globally. With Google Ads, businesses can place their offers in front of potential buyers as sponsored search results. This means that when someone searches for a specific solution, they will see the relevant ad, increasing the likelihood of converting them into customers. In addition to Google Ads, the Google Display Network offers a variety of image ads that are prominently displayed on the sides, tops, and bottoms of websites. These ads may be retargeted to customers who have previously viewed the product, increasing the likelihood of conversion. It is probable that many of the ads one encounters online are part of the Google Display Network. To find out more, check out my ebook today. To your success. Douglas Melvin, CEO, Melweb Marketing.